You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KWO37, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from a tower on Mount Lukens in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandberg on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the Antelope Valley, Calabasas and Agoura Hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, central Ventura County valleys, eastern Antelope Valley foothills, eastern San Fernando Valley, eastern San Gabriel Mountains, eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County beaches, Los Angeles County inland coast including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu coast, northern Ventura County mountains, northwestern Los Angeles County mountains including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verdes Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, southeastern Ventura County valleys, southern Ventura County mountains, western Antelope Valley foothills, western San Fernando Valley, western San Gabriel Mountains including the Highway 14 corridor and western Santa Monica Mountains. This is a marine weather statement for the following inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. Hazardous marine conditions are possible Sunday afternoon through Monday morning, especially south of Point Conception. Powell Hurricane Hilary, currently located about 240 miles west-southwest of Cabo San Lucas at 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time this morning, will weaken as it moves in a generally northerly direction through Sunday. It is expected to track into extreme Southern California to the east of San Diego as a tropical storm Sunday night. This system will bring the potential for significant impacts across the coastal waters. There is a chance of thunderstorm as early as this afternoon in southern areas. The chance of thunderstorms will expand across the coastal waters Sunday and continue into early Monday, but will be most likely across southern sections. Any thunderstorms that develop will produce heavy rain, gusty winds, and rough seas. While north to east wind gusts of 20 to 30 knots are likely, mainly south and east of Point Conception, there is a 50 to 60% chance of tropical storm force winds sustained speeds of 34 knots or greater developing Sunday and Sunday night. Therefore, tropical storm warnings are in effect for the southern waters. A long period southeasterly swell of 3 to 5 feet is expected Sunday into Monday. This swell will generate elevated surf of 3 to 6 feet across local beaches, especially southeast and south-facing ones. Gusty north to east winds will generate large and steep wind waves, which will be dangerous to north and east-facing harbors such as Avalon Harbor and Two Harbors. Mariners should stay tuned for later forecasts. Be prepared for rough seas, should are urged to seek safe harbor if threatening weather approaches. Northeast to southeast facing harbors like Avalon Harbor and Two Harbors should not be considered safe harbors. Marine conditions will likely improve by late Monday. A flood watch. A flood watch is in effect for Los Angeles County Sunday morning through Monday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Los Angeles County. When? From Sunday morning through Monday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff from expected heavy rain may result in flooding of creeks, roads, urban areas, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low-water crossings may be flooded. Of particular concern is the Antelope Valley and San Gabriel Mountains, where there is a high threat for significant and dangerous flooding, especially on the roads. Additional details. Tropical System Hilary will move over Southern California and bring the potential for heavy rain and thunderstorms. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood avoid travel on Sunday into Monday, especially in the mountains and deserts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. A flood watch. A flood watch is in effect for Ventura County and a portion of Santa Barbara County Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Ventura County and a portion of Santa Barbara County when? From Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. Impacts. Excessive runoff from expected heavy rain may result in flooding of creeks, roads, urban areas, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low water crossings may be flooded. Additional details: Tropical System Hillary will move over Southern California and bring the potential for heavy rain and thunderstorms. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Avoid travel on Sunday into Monday, especially in the mountains. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Tropical storm warning for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Ventura County. Situation overview. Hurricane Hillary will weaken to a tropical storm as it approaches Southern California later this weekend. The risk for flash flooding continues to increase across the whole region, with rare and dangerous flooding possible across the mountains and deserts. Strong, tropical, storm force winds are expected Sunday into Monday, especially over the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Los Angeles and Ventura County.
This is the National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, and we have issued a tropical storm warning for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Ventura County. Hurricane Hillary will weaken to a tropical storm as it approaches Southern California later this weekend. The risk for flash flooding continues to increase across the whole region of Southern California, with rare and dangerous flooding possible across the mountains and deserts. Strong tropical storm force winds are expected Sunday into Monday, especially over the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. To repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tropical storm warning in effect for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Ventura County. The greatest impacts are expected from Sunday afternoon into the evening, overnight hours, and into Monday morning. Keep tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for the latest in weather information.
25th night is the latest weather synopsis. The National Hurricane Center has upgraded the tropical storm watch to a tropical storm warning, which includes Los Angeles County and much of Ventura County. Powell Hurricane Hillary was centered several hundred miles west-southwest of Cabo San Lucas early this morning, packing winds of up to 130 miles an hour, making it a Category 4 hurricane. Hillary is forecast to track north-northwest and north off the Baja Coast over the next couple of days and will weaken as it approaches southwestern California. This is a fairly high-confidence forecast, as both the EC and GFS ensemble track clusters are bunched tightly together. The center of what will be Tropical Storm Hillary is expected to pass near San Diego early Sunday evening, then pass just to the east of Los Angeles County Sunday night. The exact track could still vary east or west by 20 miles, and even a small change could have significant ramifications to the forecasted weather. There is now high confidence that heavy rain and gusty winds to tropical storm force 40 to 50 miles an hour with gusts over 60 miles an hour possible in the mountains will affect the warning area. Widespread flooding is anticipated across this area, as 2 to 4 inches of rain will be possible, with amounts of 4 to 7 inches in the eastern San Gabriel Mountains and foothills. The greatest impacts from Hillary should be felt from Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. For further information on Hillary and its impacts on southwestern California, please see the latest hurricane local statement. Locks. Not much in the way of clouds this morning, but clouds will increase through the day. The leading edge of the moisture coming up from Hillary will bring a chance of showers and thunderstorms to the La County Mountains, Antelope Valley, and San Gabriel later this afternoon and evening. The increased clouds will knock 3 to 6 degrees off of most temperatures today, which will end up 2 to 4 degrees below normals. Clouds in the CHC of showers will increase tonight as Hillary continues to turn to the north, pushing moisture into and over the area. And then it's game on, as La County braces for its first tropical storm since September 25, 1939. The first ever tropical storm warning for La County is now in effect. Peak wind gusts of 30 to 50 miles an hour will be possible across coastal valley areas, and 50 to 60 miles an hour or greater are likely across the mountains, including the Santa Monica's. The counterclockwise circulation round low will bring an extended period of northeast winds to the area. Because the wind direction is the same as a Santa Ana wind event, the areas typically affected by northeast offshore winds will be most vulnerable. The strong winds will have the potential to bring down trees and power lines as well as power outages. Sunday will see an increase in the likelihood of showers and thunderstorms. Significant strong wind, flooding, and high surf impacts will be possible from Hillary across our forecast. The peak of the event will likely occur Sunday night into early Monday. A flood watch is in effect from 4 p.m. Sunday to 11 p.m. Monday for all of La Ventura counties as well as the eastern Santa Ynez Range in Santa Barbara County. The highest rainfall totals are expected to occur across La Ventura counties where estimated rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are generally expected, except 4 to 7 inches possible in the San Gabriel Mountains and adjacent foothills. For Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo counties, rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are generally expected, but local amounts up to 3 inches will be possible for the eastern Santa Ynez Range. Peak rainfall rates of 0.50 to 1 inch per hour are expected across portions of La Ventura counties during the peak of the event Sunday night into early Monday, but local rates exceeding 1 inch per hour are possible, especially in La County. During this time, there will likely be optimal synoptic forcing interacting with deep tropical moisture. Precipitable water values are expected to peak on Sunday night at around 2.50 inches, which would be 5 standard deviations from the mean for this time of year. The system will move out pretty quickly after dawn on Monday, leaving clearing skies and a residual threat of thunderstorms across the interior. Winds will subside quickly as well. Max temps will mostly be in the mid-70s to mid-80s or about 6 to 12 degrees below normals. Long-term Tuesday, Friday, 19/3/21 a.m. The GFS and EC deterministic as well as the GUFS and EPS ensembles are all in good agreement for the XTND forecast. Long-wave troughing will cover the state on Tuesday. Skies will be mostly clear save for partly cloudy skies over the mountains in the afternoon as some convection develops within the residual moisture over the mountains. This will lead to a slight CHC of thunderstorms over the highest peaks. For Wednesday through Friday, a very large and hot upper high over the Midwest will expand and increase heights through that period. The onshore gradients will be weak and the heights will be high. This will likely result in a night through late morning marine cloud layer that affect only the coast. Max temps will rise each day, reaching back to normals on Friday. The forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles, today, partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy with